What's up, everybody? I want to make a quick video, a few pickups, and a package from Mickey the Jew, which this package got here, and it literally was like this. So, yeah. I'll show a few pickups that I got in quick. Won't take very long. Got this Vic Beasley Prism. Blue. I don't think that's numbered. Autograph. Pull it out of this thing. Hope everybody's good. There we go. So, got the red, white, and blue one too, and I'm not sure where I put that. So, I believe that's a retail. And then got in this Spectra Devin Funchess to 50. Look at that thing, man. It's freaking awesome looking, especially with the Panthers blue. That blue auto actually looks kind of good. That's nice. Kind of doing a little investment type deal with Devin Funchess. Plus, I liked him. Like him. Sucks he plays for the Panthers, but the 25 Immaculate 3-color patch auto. So, got that dirt cheap. I have a bunch of his stuff coming in as well. Nice little patch there. 225. And then the biggest card that I picked. Oh no, here's the Vic Beasley. The red, white, and blue. It's not numbered, so still cool though. Picking up a lot of Vic stuff. Super cheap. This one I got through the guy in offer, accepted it. And this already has a home, but it is a 101 Mario Williams. The sick Bills logo patch. So yeah, super awesome there. And then quick package from Mickey the Jew. Mickey the Dude, if you guys don't know him, I'll leave his link down below. Check him out. And here we go. He said, told you something was coming. Merry Christmas, bro. Hope all is well and the Falcons can do something soon. So close. Anyway, a little birdie told me you like this guy, so enjoy. Little bird, I don't know what that, but cool. Appreciate it, Mickey. Had to send me nothing, but yeah, man. I'll get into this. Okay, here's a Julio Prism. I think that's this year. Yeah, this year's Prism didn't have that. Super awesome, man. Machida. Haven't picked anything up his for a long ass time. 43 of 88 from Finest. Gold refractor. The Dragon. He's been on a losing streak, man. I think he might be towards the end of his career. Well, obviously he's at the end of his career, but here's another one, the blue like X-Fractor. That's sick. Definitely didn't have that. And then, oh shit, out of Finest Threads, out of number to 188, 2012, the Dragon. Super cool. Last card, did not have it, out of UFC Champions. Not numbered, but super cool. The Oda Machida autograph. So, Mickey, I appreciate it, man. And I will get some stuff out your way. I have that Allen Robinson back for you. and a few others, but super cool. I appreciate it, man. Mickey's link will be down below. Mickey the Jew. Super awesome hookup. This got lost for a while. It was out there. I don't know what happened to it, but USPS for the loss. Mickey for the win. Have a few other things coming in. Other than that, nothing crazy. Well, I have a couple nice cards coming in, but that's all I got. Be safe, everybody. Deuces.